station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders. What's making that sound? Oh, it's a race car. It's going so fast. You're right. The Blippi-mobile could never go that fast. I wonder, why are race cars so much faster than regular cars? Good idea, Debo. We can go to the racetrack and find out. I'm gonna need race car tires.
Race car tires confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure.
Hi! Are you here to try out the racetrack?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're actually here to find out why race cars are so much faster than regular cars.
Hi! I'm Ricardo. Let me show you on the track. Let's race!
All right.
Before we race, I have a really important job for you, Debo. I need you to be the captain of the pit stop. During the race, I'll pull in here so you can keep me in tip-top shape. Can you help out and do that job? Nice try, Debo. But what you'll be doing is gassing up my tank and swapping out my tires. Okay, race time! Helmets on and buckle up!
Whoa! I'm going really fast. Whoa!
I'm not even going as fast as I can. Only 180 miles per hour now. Race cars are made out of a lighter material than regular cars. Plus, my shape helps me race easier into the wind. It's called aerodynamics.
You and my Blippi-mobile are definitely different shapes.
Pit stop, Captain. Do your thing.
You can do it, Debo. Ricardo, do you have special tires?
I do! My tires are wider and softer than regular car tires, so I can go even faster on this super hot track. Thanks, Debo.
Now you're even faster.
My powerful engine is 5 times stronger than a regular car's. I can reach my top speed of 220 miles per hour. See you at the finish line, Blippi!
Whoa! I'm blown away! But now I have the answer to my question. Why are race cars so much faster than regular cars? It's because race cars are aerodynamic and made out of a lighter material, have special tires to race on the hot track, and a super powerful race car engine! Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Ricardo.
Bye, Blippi. Bye, Debo. Ciao.
Wow, I love our cool Blippi-mobile. You're right, Debo. Our car does have amazing things. I wonder, what were the first cars like? Good idea! We can go way back in time to see one of the first cars. I'm gonna need helicopter blades.
Helicopter blades confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. We just traveled back over 100 years. I wonder whose house this is.
It's mine. My name is Blippi. Yours?
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Wait, are you my great-grandpa?
I think I am. Come here, future Blippi great-grandson.
Grandpa, we're here to find out what the first cars were like.
Good timing! I'm about to take my first ever automobile for a drive. Hot dog, isn't this a beaut?
Really cool! So, how does it start?
This crank will make sparks that help start the engine.
The engine started! Yeah! It looks like your car can only fit 2 people. And no seatbelts? Seatbelts keep you safe.
Hot dog, seat belts? Okay, let's go to the top of that hill. We made it! Knew we would! Now down we go!
Oh no, Debo! Whoa! 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 Does the car have any brakes?
It sure does! That was really cool!
Hot dog! And I have the answer to my question. What were the first cars like? You had to turn a crank to start it. Cars only had 2 seats. And you pulled a hand lever for the brakes. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Great Grandpa Blippi. Happy and safe driving.